everyone, this is Melissa. Today I'm going to teach you how to make my homemade date and oat bars. Now this is a recipe I have developed over the past several years and now I'm ready to share it with everybody. It's relatively healthy, so for example, instead of using a cup of sugar, I will use a half a cup of pure maple syrup. You gotta get the real stuff though. And a little bit of honey, maybe 2 to 3 tablespoons in lieu of the sugar. I also use gluten-free flour. I use a combination of tapioca and almond flour. I'll do 3/4 cup of tapioca flour and a half cup of almond flour, and that seems to give it some really good consistency. And another thing I do is instead of using butter, normally a recipe would call for a cup of butter. I use a half a cup of olive oil to replace it. But of course, if you want to use the butter and the sugar and regular flour, by all means, go ahead and do that. It's a pretty versatile recipe. Anyway, they are delicious. You can even put chocolate chips in them if you want for something fun, or nuts. And it also, these really taste great with vanilla ice cream as well. So anyway, enjoy.